evening to my dear students. Students, today I am going to tell you about rounding of numbers in very easy and simplest way. Today we are going to discuss a rounding of numbers to nearest tens, to nearest 100, to nearest 1000 and to nearest 10,000. So students, let me explain one by one. But before explaining these, let me explain the rules of rounding numbers.
Now, the rounding rules are: identify the place value you are rounding to. So, I prefer to underline that digit to whom we are going to round off. Okay, then the number to the right tells the underlined number what to do. Here, the number which is at the right side of the underlined digit will tell us what to do. If the digit lies between 0 to 4, then the number stays the same. But if the digit lies between 5 to 9, then the number go up 1. So students, let me explain our first round off, that is a round off to the nearest tens. Here I have few examples. My first number is 3465. Here I am going to round off to nearest tens. So let me find out the digit which is at the tens place. Here the digit 6 is at the tens place. Okay. Now first, if this 6 is at the tens place, let me write 0 at the ones place. So students, after putting 0 at the ones place, see the number at the right side of the underlined digit. Here at the right side the digit is 5. But what we have to do, if the digit is greater than 5, then we have to add 1 in the underlined digit. This is 5, so we have to add 1 in this 6, so it will become 7. And the digits at the left side of the underlined digits will remain same. So answer is 3470. Now move to the second example. Here I have 2328. Again, which digit is at the tens place? Here the digit is 2. So first we underline this digit, then write 0 at the ones place, and then see the digit which is right to the underlined digit. Here the digit is 8, which is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in this digit. The 2 will become 3. And the digits at the left side will remain the same. So the answer is 2330. Now move to the third example. Here the number is 4630. Again, the digit at the tens place is 1. So we underline this. Then write 0 at the ones place. Then next step is to see the number at the right side. Here the number is 3, which is less than 5. So what we have to do? Yes, I will not add anything in this. So it will remain the same. And the rest of the digits at the left side also remain the same. Here the answer is 4610. Now these are few examples of round of the nearest tens. Now move to the round off to the nearest 100. Here again I have few examples. Here first number is 4394. Now find out the digit which is at the 100 place, because we are going to round off nearest 100. So the digit 3 is at the 100 place. So what we have to do? Write 0 at ones and tens place. Then next step is see the number, which is right of the underlined digit. Here the digit is 9, which is again greater than 5. When the digit is greater than 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 in the underlined digit. When we add 1 in the underlined digit, the 3 will become 4. Now the rest of the digits at the left side will also remain the same. Here the answer is 4400. Now move to the second example, 6849. Now again find out the digit at the 100 place. Here the digit is 8. Now write 0 at the ones place and tens place. Then second step is see the number at the right side. Here in the right side of the underlined digit there is 4, which is less than 5. So what we have to do? Yes, I will not add anything in this digit. So it will remain the same. And the rest of the digits will also remain the same. So the answer is 6800. Now move to the third example, 4303. Again find out the digit at the 100 place. Here the digit is 3. Now write 0 at the ones place and tens place. After that, see the number which is right to the underlined digit. Here the digit is 0, which is less than 5. So I will not add anything in this digit. So it will remain the same. And the rest of the digits at the left side will also remain same. So the answer is 44,300. Now this is round off to nearest 100. Then move to the round off to the nearest 1000. Here again I have few examples. First is 8496. Now here I find out the digit at the 1000 place. Here the digit is 8, which is at the 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now first of all we write 0 at the ones, tens and 100 place. Now after that what we have to do? We have to see the digit at the right side of the underlined digit. Here the digit is 4, which is less than 5. When the digit is less than 5, we have what we have to do? Yes, we will not add anything in this digit. It will remain the same. Now the answer is 8000. Move to the next example, that is 5642. Again 5 is at the 1000 place. Write 0 at ones, 0 at tens and 0 at 100 place. Now the next step is to see the number at the right side of the underlined digit. Here the number is 6. Now what we have to do? Yes, if the digit is greater than 5, then we will need to add 1 in this digit, underlined digit. Here when we add 1 in 5, it will become 6. Now the answer is 6000. Move to the third one. Here 13,702. Find out the digit at the 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here the digit is 3. Now write 0 at the ones place, tens place and 100 place. Now next step is see the number right to the underlined digit. Here the digit is 7. So what will we have to do? Yes, we have to add 1 in this digit. When we add 1, it will become 4. And the number at the left side is 1. It will remain the same. Here the answer is 14,000. Now this is all about the 1000, nearest 1000. Now move to the round off to the nearest 10,000. Here again I have few examples. 34,803. Here, which digit is at the 10,000 place? Here the digit is 3. Now write 0 at ones, 0 at tens, 0 at 100 and 0 at 1000 place. Now next step is see the number at the right side of the underlined digit. Here the number is 4. When the number is less than 5, what will we have to do? Yes, here I will not add anything in this digit. So I will write 3 as it is. Now the answer is 30,000. Move to the next example. Here I have 56,449. Now which digit is at the 10,000 place? Here the digit is 5. Now write 0 at the ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. So next step is see the number at the right side of the underlined digit. Here the digit is 6. So which is greater than 5. So what we have to do? Yes, we need to add 1 in this digit. When we add 1 in 5, it will become 6. Now the answer is 60,000. Okay. Now move to the third one. That is 83,996. Here, which digit is at the 10,000 place? Because we are going to round off nearest 10,000. So at 10,000 place there is 8. First of all, we write 0 at ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Now see the number which is at the right side of the underlined digit. Here the digit is 3. So what we have to do? Yes, if the digit is less than 5, then we will not add anything in the underlined digit. So it will remain the same. Here the answer is 80,000. So students, this is all about the rounding of nearest 10,000. I hope all of you are understand this. Thank you.